Hello children, welcome. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of English literature. You have already listened to my video of introduction on this chapter yesterday, and now today we are starting the book, and in the book we are starting the story The Fun They Had. Fun they had. This is the name of chapter. This is chapter 3 of your English literature by Isaac Asimov. In this story, you will read about futuristic school. Before reading this story, there is a pre-reading task. What is that? Read these questions and share your responses with the partner. In this, some questions are asked about school. At what time do you go to school? Do you like going to school? Why or why not? So, all children enjoy going to school. Nowadays, it is not going on. It is not running because of lockdown, but you must be missing your school. How many hours do you work on a computer in your school? We have some only 2 periods in a week. Would you like to work longer? Yes, of course. If you use computer, we use smart classes, we learn better. What would happen if your teachers were replaced by computer? You just think what will happen in the future if there is no teacher, no human teacher, and only computer is teaching you, just like robot. If robot is teaching you, then what will happen? No interaction. What would you prefer, studying at home or going to school? Nowadays you are studying at home, but what do you prefer? Certainly your answer will be at school, because we have a lot of activities to do there. Teachers come, change, you have to discuss, you can discuss there with your classmates. If you have any problem, you can ask any question from your class teacher, you can show your homework. How long does it take you to reach your school? So answer will be different. Some students come in half an hour, some by bus, some by their own convenience. Do you enjoy the journey? Yes, of course, because you go with your partners, you go with your friends and come with your friends, you talk and enjoy a lot. Do you like vacation? Yes, everybody likes vacation, but if it is too long, nowadays your vacation has become very long, so you must not be enjoying, I hope. So now read this story by Isaac Asimov about the school experience of two children living in, year is 2155. So in the year 2155, we are living 2020 only, and this story is about 2155. It means 135 years later. What will be the situation of the school? What will be the situation? What will be the situation in future? That is described. What kind of school will be in future? That is described in this through two students. One is Margie. First, she is a girl, and her brother is also character here. Now let us see what Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie writes diary, and it is important for her. She wrote 17th May. Here is this, and May 15th, 2155, she wrote, Tommy found a real book. Tommy, brother, and Margie, his sister. These are two characters of this story. Main characters are Margie and Tommy. And she wrote, Tommy found a book. They had not seen paper book because they are the students of future and they read only on computer screen. It was very old book, one paper book they got. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were written on a paper. So in the future, the situation may come that students will not see any paper book. And if they see any paper book, that will be a thing of amazement for them, for surprise. They will be surprised to see, oh, in the past, students used to read this type of book, which was made of paper. They turned the pages, which was yellow and green. It is an very old book. They are watching it, reading it, turning the pages. It has become very old. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. These students read books on screen. Their words are going up, coming down, sometimes left, right. Here on our book, what we see, that is constant, that is stable. So once again they are surprised to see the words are still here, not moving, just like on a screen, And then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So the place is fixed. He said, Tommy, what a waste. According to Tommy says it is a waste. What is waste for him? Book. Which book? The big paper book. For him, paper book is a waste. Waste of what? Waste of money. Waste of materials. So what a waste. When you are through with a book, you just throw it away. He thinks that after reading, one has to throw it away. Our television screen, they are in habit of reading books on the television screen, computer screen, and that must have a million books. In our computer, we can have million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. So generally what happens when you pass the class and you are promoted in next class, you keep your all old books aside, or it is given to some other purpose, or it is, but that is not kept. That is why they think it is a waste. Every year we have to change, purchase and throw it away. I will not throw it away. And if you have a computer, if you download some books there, it is not to be thrown. No need to throw it. So here we will read the comparison between old schools. Today's school is old for them. So we will read futuristic school and present school. Which is better? It is a matter of comparison. We will compare it and we will see which is better. Thank you. That's all for today.